Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app.
In this video, we'll show you how to change the battery on a Renault Kangoo 2 1.6 16V. You will find the bulk battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. You can see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal, with all the car still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Lift the black plastic cover. Using a socket wrench, an extender and a 10mm socket, loosen the nut holding the negative terminal. Once the terminal has been removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Using a 10mm spanner, unscrew the positive terminal. Then remove the cover. To take out the battery, you will have to unscrew the holding plate. Using a socket wrench, a long extender and a 13mm socket, unscrew the fastening plate of the battery and remove it. Remove the acid-resistant steam hose if the battery has one installed. You can now remove the battery.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, it's also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new battery and remove the protective covers. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Connect the acid fumes outlet tube. Put the battering fastening plate in place. Then finish off the tightening with a socket wrench. Then put the positive terminal back on to start with, tightening the screws with a 10mm spanner. Then put the negative terminal back in, ensuring you insert it fully, before fixing it in place with a socket wrench. Put the plastic cover back. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.